Philippines, Dennis Orcollo.
I know that greatness begins in the minds of the great. I know that what I believe about myself is what I will become. So I believe in the best for myself. I am practical and realistic, and I keep my feet on solid ground. But I also give myself the freedom to live up to my fullest expectations. I never limit myself by the short-sighted belief of others. Instead, I open myself up to the broad horizon of unlimited possibilities. When someone says, "I cannot," I answer, "Why not?" When someone says, "It's impossible," I answer that nothing is any more impossible than I believe it to be. And I truly believe that with my individual fortress of faith, with me, anything is possible. I have the drive, spirit, stamina, and endurance. I have a good, strong, winning attitude about myself and about everything I do. I am practical and realistic, but I also believe in the best possible outcome of any situation. If I have ever had any doubts about myself in the past, today is a good day to put them aside. It's a good day to throw out any disbelief that ever held me back. I know that I am headed in the right winning direction, and I look forward and never look back. I have the ability to focus on one thing at a time, so I concentrate my attention on my job at hand and I get it done. Today is one of those days when nothing can stand in my way. When I need extra determination, I've got it. And when I need more energy and drive, I've got it. I've got the power to get it done, and the patience to see it through, no matter what the job or challenge may be. Right now, even while I'm telling myself these truths about me, I know that I can succeed and I am succeeding. At this moment, if I think of any challenge in front of me, I know that I will become more of a winner because of it. I keep my chin up, my head held high. I look, act, sound, think, and I feel a winner I am. Anytime a problem starts to get me down, I get myself right back up. I tackle problems and I solve them. When frustrations or defeat threaten me, I just become that much stronger, more positive, better organized, and more determined than ever. Right now, today, this very moment, I am capable of giving myself the gift of absolute self-assurance, self-belief, and powerful non-stop confidence in myself. No matter what it is that requires the very best of me, I can do it, and I know I can. Today is a great day, and I've got what it takes. So I choose to do it right and do it well. I choose to live today with joy and love. I know it's all up to me, 100%, every bit of it. All of it is how I look at it and what I do about it. That's what winning is. and that's why I am a winner. I set my sights, I keep my balance, I don't hesitate, I don't hold back. I know that the world is full of opportunities. Look at what I can do, look where I can go, look at what I can do just by saying yes to myself. Just look what I can do today. I am incredible, and today is a great day to show it. Look at what I can do, look where I can go, look at what I can do just by saying yes to myself. Just look what I can do today. I am incredible, and today is a great day to show it.